Welcome to Uptown. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. And man, I am loving this place. This place is gorgeous. It is beautiful, and I love, love, love it. I love the look and feel of this. This is in one of my favorite buildings in Uptown, and it's just gorgeous. What they've done is this is the Broadstone Sora, and they have renovated these units, and they've made them absolutely stunning. Look at this. I mean, look at this detail. The kitchen, the lighting, the views. I mean, this is just gorgeous, don't you think? This is the place you want to be. This is a place you definitely want to check out in Uptown. The Broadstone Sora also has great floor plans like this study. So this study is really cool. That's potentially a third bedroom or at least a guest suite for somebody. So beautiful floor plan. We're going to dive into the details of this in a couple more videos. So I just wanted you to see it. Look at this beautiful floor plan at the Broadstone Sora. If you have any questions about this, if you want to get pricing, text me. I'll get you that pricing immediately. I respond super quickly. My number is below. And if you like the video, go ahead and like the video on YouTube. Would love to get that feedback from you. Okay, now we're going to do some detailed walkthroughs. So let's go to that now. We're going to start at the front door.